Unbelievable Apple Watch SE scam. Grab it for under $150 at Walmart, don't miss out. Imagine snagging an Apple Watch SE for under $150. It's a steal, right? Well, that's exactly what Walmart is offering right now, and even Amazon hasn't managed to match this incredible price. Let's dive into the details and see why this deal is a game changer for tech enthusiasts and bargain hunters alike. Samantha Mangino, our tech-savvy shopping reporter based in Boston, has been on the hunt for the best deals and products. With 3 years of experience in commerce, she's tested and reviewed everything from couches to washing machines, ensuring that the products she recommends are top-notch. Her expertise in vetting products and internet trends means you can trust her insights. As of July 23, 2025, Walmart is offering the Apple Watch SE, 2nd Gen, for a jaw-dropping $137.99. This isn't just a good deal, it's the lowest price ever recorded for this smartwatch. That's a whopping 45% off the original price of $249, saving you a cool $111.01. The previous lowest price was in November 2024, when it dropped to $149. But this new price tag at Walmart is unmatched, making it the best time. Apple Watch SE hits record low price. Get it for just $138. Imagine getting your hands on one of the best smartwatches on the market for a steal of a price. The Apple Watch SE is now available for a record low price of just $138. But here's where it gets controversial. Such amazing deals on high-end tech don't come around often, so you'll need to act fast to secure this deal before it disappears. At CNET, we pride ourselves on being your go-to source for the latest deals and discounts from trustworthy sellers. Our dedicated team of deal hunters tirelessly searches for the best offers daily, so you can trust that when we say it's a good deal, it truly is. Crazy Walmart deals: Apple Watch SE for $138, 75-inch TV for $250 off, GoPro Hero 12 at lowest price. Stop everything, Walmart just slashed prices on tech essentials to levels we may never see again. But here's the catch, these deals could vanish faster than you can click Add to Cart. Let's break down why today's discounts are causing a frenzy, and why you might regret hesitating. The headline steal. Apple's 2nd Gen Watch SE just nosedived to $138 at Walmart, a jaw-dropping $111 price cut that shatters its previous record. Let's be clear, this isn't just a budget smartwatch. It's the gateway device that lets iPhone users track workouts, answer calls, detect car crashes, and monitor sleep, all while costing less than most smartphones. Our tech team calls it the smartwatch bargain of 2025 for good reason. But here's where it gets controversial: does skipping the always-on display matter when you're saving over 40%? Some argue it's a deal-breaker, others say the trade-off is a no-brainer. Only the midnight color remains at this price, a silent reminder that perfection isn't required for value. Now, let's talk big screen drama. Walmart's knocked $250 off Hisense's colossal 75-inch 4K Roku TV, a 35% discount that's reigniting the size versus specs debate. Yes, it's massive. Yes, it's packed with Dolby Vision, HDR10, and voice controls. But here's the part most people miss: a TV this size at $550 isn't just about pixels. It's about transforming movie nights into theater experiences and sports bars into living room events. Critics might argue smaller spaces don't need 75 inches, but when's the last time someone complained their TV was too immersive? Adrenaline junkies, listen up. The GoPro Hero 12 Black, a device literally built to survive mountain drops and ocean depths, is now $90 cheaper at $279. Let that sink in. You're getting 5.3K slow-mo capture, 10-meter waterproofing, and professional-grade stabilization for less than the latest model. Here's the uncomfortable truth: do you really need the Hero 13's minor upgrades when this rugged workhorse films in cinematic quality? These aren't just discounts, they're strategic upgrades waiting to happen. But we have to ask, is Walmart's aggressive pricing a win for consumers, or a clever ploy to clear inventory before new models drop? Sound off below. Do you pounce on record low prices, or wait for newer tech? Either way, one thing's certain, deals this hot won't survive the weekend. TikTok.